Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find the cheapest flights on Skyscanner. Okay, so first up, go ahead and open up your Skyscanner app or the website right here. As you can see, skyscanner.com. And once you're in here, just enter the flight, okay, from and to. Departure date, make sure that you select flexible dates, okay? Now, as you can see, we have the cheapest month here. If you want this one, go ahead and select it, okay? If not, you can go ahead and browse through these months here as well, okay? As you can see, we have the cheapest ones from January as well. And for below 1,000, we have March and April. That's how you see a cheap flight, okay? For example, January right here, hit on apply. And the return right here, if you want to, you can go ahead and select one. If not, click on the drop down, hit on one way, like so. Hit on apply and on search. Okay. Now, if you're planning to go to, for example, Manchester, click on it. Now select a specific date, for example, 1. Okay. Find flights. In here, you can go ahead and click on cheapest. Okay. So it will filter out the cheapest flights available. Okay. And the first result right here will be the cheapest. Okay. You can now go ahead and click on select. Now choose a booking partner. For example, Gatogate right here, or My Trip. Click on one, and here, this is now your booking partner, okay? You'll find the cheapest flights here as well. For example, wait for it to load. Go ahead and find the cheapest as well, okay? There you have it. Here we have the cheapest. You can now go ahead and click on View Trip. Find this standard ticket, all right, if you wish to use, or if you wish to, select the cheapest flight, okay? Once that's done, another page will load. Now from here, you can now go ahead and continue with your booking. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.